Alright guys, welcome guys, Jason here, or Jason Brother, and I'm back with a new series. It's a kit PvP, I believe. Yeah, kit PvP. It's inner Minecraft usual cracked servers. But today we will be PvPing as usual. No, I'm on PvPing, potion PvP. I always put PvP in potion world. I never PvP and other stuff, you know. And I hope you guys don't mind the background. There's something going on in the background. They're doing something outside, so please don't mind that. So yeah, let's wreck some people. Alright. Whoa, chill. Whoa. This guy doesn't know how to PvP at all. Wrecked. Oh, fudge, that guy looks like he's a hacker. Oh. I'm looking at this guy right here, 22. Oh, whoa! Whoa, the hacks, I like it a lot. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh, I'm done. This guy's hacks is legit, man. This guy's hacks is legit. Alright, let's... Oh, he's dead. That's one. Whoa. Chill. I wanna get rock too? That's what I thought. Alright, let's go 7-7. Come here, man. Come here. Oh, he's not going for me. Alright. This might be a short video too as well because of reasons. Oh, let's target this guy right here. Go hand games. Oh shit. Hey, chill, dude. Oh, that guy has hacked. Definitely, he was hitting me and the other dude. Look at this! He has Killora, man. I swear to God. Well, let's target this guy right here. Every time I say target, when they hack, I'm fucked. This guy's a noob. Look at this. Oh! Wrecked. Let's see how long. 2 minutes. We've been recording for 2 minutes. We should record for more, but my recording is gonna take a while. It's gonna take a long time, man. A big hunter. No, I don't like messing around with people's 1v1s. And what I mean by 1v1s is that, no, I don't know. There's no PvP going on here, man. This is boring. Alright, let's go to spawn. Let's get back our stuff, because I know people are gonna start jumping. Alright. Alright. Yeah, they need to stop knocking on that door. I'm getting ticked now. Who's that? Stimpy? Is his name Stimpy or something? Oh, what the fudge? I just got teleported back up there. This guy's a noob. Wrecked. That's one down. I really can't PvP with this lag. Or with this over here. He just poisoned himself. GG. Oh, fudge. He just slowly missed me. 2 noobs, 2 nothing. I just got debuffed for days, man. I swear. These debuffs are ticking me off. Oh my god. What? That was pot lag, I swear. These people, yeah. They're knocking on this door, got to stop. Still got stones, actually. Oh god, oh, me and him, I guess. This zoot bear, dude. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Stop, would you stop with those? I'm targeting this dude. Yo. Wrecked. Alright. If I die, that's where I stop this episode. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go with this dude. Oh, looks like I'm dying here. Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, jeez. Jesus, yo. Dang. The double team's a real man. Whoa. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here, hacker. Get the fuck out of here, hacker. Get the fuck out of here. These hackers are terrible. Yep, that's it. Oh man, I tried that. I lag a lot for some reason when I'm recording, but yeah, that's it for this episode. So, I'm sorry for the background. Oh, it's so fucking lag. Sorry, but yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.